these three breakaway riders. Otherwise, Kevin Meyer just wouldn't take a turn in front. He'd make Parker run to an extra turn. The hardest thing to do is one way down in front of him. Get about a turn back to Corey. He's sitting in the stretch swing. And I think pretty well.
So we are here today with Grega Bole from the team Lampe. And how have you found the Tour down under?
Yeah, it's a very nice race for January. It's very hot. For us, we can in Europe when it's the winter time. It's very hot and it's very hard because the training is not good, and we are coming here for good base and for the next race in Europe.
And which stage of the race did you find the hardest?
For me, is the hardest race is the first stage because it's more of the hot. Is very hot. It's 45 degrees. And this is for me. It's the first stage. Then is better.
Where are you going to go after Adelaide?
After I go home, first we have a plane for the Milan, Italia. Then I go with my car in Slovenia. I stay in Slovenia 1 week. And then go back in Italia because we have a training camp with my team. And then we have the next race in Italia, Giro di Slovenia.
Is this your first time in Australia?
I was been there in last year in Melbourne, Geelong, where is the World Championships. And here I was first time, and it's very nice.
Where are you from in Slovenia?
Begunje na Gorenskem. This is near Bled.
Thank you for the interview, and we hope you have a very successful season.
Thank you.
So how did you find the Adelaide event?
For me, it's first time, and second time that I'm in Australia. I was been first time in Melbourne 2 years ago, and actually for first race, and in January, for me it's good.
Which stage was the hardest?
Actually, first one, because of the warm weather. It's been very hard. Actually, it's been flat stage, but with 45 degrees, it's been very hard for me because in Europe now it's the winter, and for us it's a big change. Yeah.
Which riding team are you with?
I ride for Astana team. It's a Kazakish team, and it's my first year. Now I rode 3 years with Makan Soleil, and this is Dutch team.
How long have you been a professional cyclist?
I'm a professional cyclist already from 2004. This is already 7 years, and I hope that I will stay still for 5 years more.
Where are you going to go after Adelaide?
Now in February start the season in Europe, and it's a lot of race now in Europe, and I will start in I think it's 10 of February in Mediterranean, Tour of Mediterranean in French, and then I have a lot of race there.
What region are you from in Slovenia?
I'm coming from a small city in Slovenia, Idrian. It's a very small city, but it's a lot of good riders coming from this city.
And Slovenia is a small population, but it produces world-class cyclists. Why is Slovenia so good at that?
Yeah. Actually, we have a long tradition from the cycling, and Now in a couple of years we learn a lot, and actually we show the cycling world that actually we put Slovenia in the world that we can ride cycling bicycle very good.
Thank you for coming to Adelaide, and we hope to see you again next time.
Yeah, I hope to.